Let me show you how you can create ready-to-publish short videos in just minutes using ShortsAI. Remember that you can log in from your laptop or even your mobile devices such as smartphones or tablets. Are you curious how a campaign works on the smartphone? I will show you how to create a campaign directly on the smartphone. First of all, I just need to add the campaign name. The next step is creating the script. You can either put the script you have into here or simply write down something briefly and have the ShortsAI automatically create the script for you. For example, I am not good at content writing, so I just write down what I have in my head and click Generate AI Script. In a matter of seconds, I have a completely new, better version of my script. After saving the script for the video, I can go on and record the video based on that script. Record using your own smartphone while simultaneously reading your script on your mobile device. The script is only displayed during this process and does not show up in the final result. Sometimes you have to pause while reading scripts. With ShortsAI, you don't need to play the video to find when these pauses are. After you finish recording, it detects silence from your video. Then you just need to click Apply Changes to remove all these pauses. Now the video is going on well and ready to publish. Instantly get it published to VidCloud, Facebook, and YouTube. The PC version works similarly to what I have just demonstrated. We will use our laptops instead of our phones to entering scripts, record videos, and publish them. Thank you for your attention to my demo video. Hopefully, it helps you understand the product. Don't forget that I have a full review article that provides you with all details of this product. The pricing, upgrades, early bird discount info, as well as the bonuses that I have selected by myself. I include the article link in my description box for you to visit. Simply click and discover.